my beautiful people. Is your one and only Lady Joe. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, today matter na about Chidi man where they arrest say na ikpeme that man, that Alex Osifo. So my darling people, I know say ever since Chidinma dey inside prison, so that they talk and they talk and go here, talk and go here. And I know say when Chidinma confess before, say na ikpeme the man. Now matter now don change now because Chidinma confess say na ikpeme the man, and they can't talk so many things that period. Chidinma can't talk wetin make am kpeme the man, but the story not clear like that for our eye that time. E not clear. So we come the reason and say, why Chidinma will come kpeme this kind big man wey be say e dey help you, e dey take care of you. Wetin go come make you get that kind thought say you want kpeme the man? So all of us come the reason am like that, you know. So before we come see one interview where they for interview Chidinma. So when they come interview Chidinma come see talk say again say not being meme the man. You come see change mouth. Because me know say that thing na set up. He even get the time when she first say beg for prison, say I beg oh, make them forgive her oh, she get bright future oh, she can't talk so many things. Okay, now matter now don see change now. Chidinma now say not being meme the man for one video. I don't see upload the video before. So not be meme the man according to Chidinma. But people don't believe. You understand? People don't believe. They see the that say na Chidinma na meme the man. But now this video when we can see now where police they talk. Although I go see put the video, mona see am. So when Chidinma now, they say the man now, according to the police, he say they hear people they talk say they just allow Chidinma they talk. You know, you'll be like say Chidinma they prison, they allow to do that. She talk say no will not reason her like that. Say everybody gets like the day prison not me say they not fit talk. He said no. They not be like that for their own prison. So Chidinma still get right when you go take talk. You understand? So now he make that they allow her make she talk. So they allow press, they allow different people come they interview her. He say yes, they fit do one. He say so Chidinma now case they in progress because they don't catch some of the suspects now. Wey meme the man, not be Chidinma. I felt talk and say this matter e get as e be. This matter now e don't change. You understand me, my darling people? This matter now don't change. You understand? So the way this matter now come they go now, they don't they catch the people. So if it be say the Chidinma are just a victim of circumstances, you understand? Chidinma are just victim. We be say because the way the police they talk now, the way me they look am, those who release Chidinma, the way me I they look this whole thing now, because I fear if I make her the lie, which she still go lie say now she do the thing. Because according to the policeman now, he say people they feel say maybe they want to use wuru to do am. We say no, they don't they do anything like that. Say they don't they investigate, they do everything to want so that make they know who made that man. Nah. They don't catch some suspects now. Now they see the matter now, they don't catch some people now. So the way me they look at now, those who free Chidinma, I will tell me the reason now. Those who free Chidinma because since this matter now don't be like this now, my darling people, this thing now don't change. This story now don't change. So the way the whole thing they go now, Chidinma now go so free. I will tell me they see for years. So I go see put the video in case una want to see watch am. More na see what the policeman talk. Maybe una go see reason with me, or una go see look am whether Chidinma really the innocent of this case. Because na she use that man talk say na she meme the man. And I know say people feel use fear take talk. People feel use fear take talk. You understand? What they not do, they'll go use fear take talk and say they do one. Hey, if it still be, say, now they happen so. Anyway, my darling people, I go put the video more na see when Chidinma they talk, and when the police people see talk, now see my darling people. Anyway, my ogbonge people, anything you wanna think about the video, wanna leave on a comment for the comment section. We go from there. Thank you, everybody. Take care. Please share this video. Let the video go viral. Anything you wanna think, wanna leave on a comment. So bye.
Police say more clues are being unraveled into the murder of Super TV CEO Usifo Ataga. Commissioner of Police Lagos Command Hakeem Odumosu revealed that more suspects have now been apprehended. Senior correspondent Ivy Kanu reports.
It was a rainy day, but that did not deter the police as they had over 1,000 suspects at the command headquarters.
That's the plastic one. Is that who will see this in darkness in the daytime? I will not say it's a gun.
Police say some of them were picked up during a raid at some criminal hideouts across the state. Betiga journalist wanted updates to one of the most talked about cases, and that was the case of late Usifo Ataga.
Chidinma is under investigation, and once under investigation now, we don't want to say anything that to jeopardize the investigation. I only tell the members of the public that Chidinma, so investigation into her case is progressing progressively because other suspects have been apprehended. We are working in conjunction with Justice Ministry. So be rest assured that we are not covering Chidinma, we are not covering anybody. We will be able to establish conspiracy in that case, and we are working towards that.
Not done, journalists wanted him to also address the recent video that emerged where the prime suspect, Chidinma Ebuchu, was being interviewed.
The video was recorded the 3rd after she was arrested. Not a recent one at all. So they just brought it out now. Because we were saying that, Chidinma, they saw her, and we portraying her as a celebrity. So having this, having that one now, for God's sake, as a suspect, fundamental human rights still exist under the concern of the country.
The commissioner's response may not end the controversy, but this parade couldn't have ended without the police boss giving an update on the incident at the Ladipo market on Tuesday.
No single life was lost. 3 people were injured. As of now, the 3 of them are recuperating in hospital. And we have launched investigation into this. So the military personnel that went there, the vehicle that went there now, in conjunction with the military, we are doing that. So that officer, they came from the Air Force arm of the military. And I'm in touch with the commander of the Air Force, so at Ikeja.
Between May and the 13th of June, the command arrested a total of 66 armed robbery suspects and 1,320 miscreants. 46 armed robbery incidents were foiled, and they handled 47 murder cases. Ivy Kano, TVC News, Lagos.